To unblock Reddit in Indonesia, a secure VPN is essential. By using a VPN, users can bypass the government-imposed restrictions and access the site without any issues. The first step is to choose a reliable VPN provider that offers strong encryption and a wide range of server locations. Once a VPN is selected, users can download and install the software on their device. In the description, you can find a link to Secure VPN for Indonesia. After installing the VPN, users can connect to a server located outside of Indonesia. This will mask their IP address and make it appear as though they are browsing from a different location. By connecting to a server in a country where Reddit is not blocked, users can access the site without any restrictions. It is important to ensure that the VPN connection is secure and encrypted to protect user data and privacy. Users should also be aware of any potential risks associated with using a VPN, such as decreased internet speed or data logging by the provider. Overall, using a secure VPN is the most effective way to unblock Reddit in Indonesia. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, users can enjoy unrestricted access to the site and browse content without any limitations.